Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw flip-flops. Okay, so before we get started on these flip-flops, let's make sure that we have the colors that we need in order to start and complete this design. So as always, we need black. That's our outline color, and we're always going to need that one. But for this one, I'm doing my flip-flops in orange and yellow color scheme. If you want to use colors that match maybe the flip-flops that you have at your house, or maybe a dream pair of flip-flops, maybe have a dream that your flip-flops look like a watermelon. And so you would pick a red and a green color. Whatever you want to do for this project, you can, but you need black. That's going to be the outline color. So let's get started. We're going to draw our flip-flops, and the best way I guess I know how to explain it is it's going to look like a long bean, like a stretched out bean shape, okay? So let's get started. Let's start in the middle, and I'm going to go up, curve it around, come back down, back up, like that, okay? And that's going to be one, and then our second one is going to start here. It's going to curve a little bit, curve back just a bit, curve up, and then connect. And there we go. We have our two flip-flops. Now, you realize that when you put your foot inside on top of a flip-flop, you're putting your toes into those straps. And so we need to make sure we draw those. And so let's start with a circle and fill that in, and then a circle and fill that in at the top. And those are where our toes are going to go in. And now we need to draw the straps. And so let's draw a line from here to here, and here to here. Okay, and let's do the same thing on this left shoe. There we go. And then drawing down between these, we're going to do a little straight line like that, and then a little straight line like that. And then we're going to draw the same angle here, just parallel to that first one, and then parallel to that one. Okay, we're going to do the same thing again on this other shoe. Here we go. And then the last thing we need to do is show where it curves around the side of our foot and then connects to the bottom of the shoe. And so we're going to come down from this corner, up a little bit, and then back in. Okay, so we're going to go down from the corner, up a little bit, and back in. Down, up, back in. Down, up, back in. There we go. And then you can always add a little bit of texture to the straps. Maybe you want to do some lines like that to show like where the stitching is. So like little dots and dashes that would show like where the sewing machine was used to connect it all up. That would give you some texture there. You can do that if you want. Like I said, if you wanted to make really cool watermelon flip-flops, you could maybe put some seeds on here. And you could make this flip-flop red and then the straps green or something like that. You could do all kinds of things to add texture, add anything a little interesting to these flip-flops. But this is where we're going to stop with the drawing and we're going to start coloring. So I'm going to do the actual sandal part orange, and then I'm going to color in the straps a yellow. So let's just trace out everything we need along the border and then fill all of that in. Okay. And there's a lot to fill in here, and you know, if you want to think about how you want to make yours extra special, like I said, if you want to make them different colors, or if you want to add designs on it, that's totally fun too. You can pause this and come back if you want to, while you're thinking and planning how you want to color. Okay. Almost done with the actual sandal part, or the flip-flop. I use those words interchangeably. I know that they're slightly different, but I don't know. Just do that. Okay. We've got these all filled in. Let's switch to our other color for the straps here. There we go. There we go. And we're done. How do you like that? We did our very summery flip-flops. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Goodbye. Whoa. Make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to doodletoots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Flippy floppies, my flippy floppies, I got my flippy floppies, flippy floppies.